Thank you for calling Plumbing. This is Erica speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, Erica. Yes, I have a bit of a I think it's like a drip going on right now in my basement. Oh goodness, yeah. Well, I've been fixing it myself or trying to fix it myself, and it looks like it's actually getting much worse by the minute. It's probably not a good
I can hear
application. You can hear it. Oh my goodness, yeah. So,
Yes.
I mean, what do you recommend? Just work on it myself. Do you think I'd be able to like handle it, or should you guys come out here? Because it seems to be getting in the emergency area at this point.
Let me forward a message over to a technician.
Do you think I
That
should?
way,
I should work
can-
as a technician on it right now. Just okay, yeah, no problem. All right, let me try that. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Should I keep going?
Oh, with that would be at your discretion, sir.
Oh, okay.
Let them know that you have a drip
Let's
in
do
the
it. All right. Yeah. No. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Now I'm in a situation. Oh. No, Jerry, come on! Don't come in. Don't bring the baby in here. No, you guys, this isn't. Come on, this is serious. I've got a plumber on the phone right. You're not gonna swim in there. Can you guys come out like immediately? This has really turned into something. My wife is super upset.
Yes, sir. Let me go ahead and forward this information over, and then I will have them go ahead and contact you as soon as possible.
It seems to be getting it. Okay, now is it going to be a problem if it gets around any like electrical things? I know that's probably not good, right?
Oh.
Oh.
Sir, I'm with the appointment desk. I'm not a technician, but I can have them go ahead and return your call.
Okay, yeah, that sounds great. I think I might need that at this point.
Hello?
Yeah, I think I just shorted out everything in the house. It's dark. Have you seen the baby? Where's the baby? Oh, okay. All right, well, the baby's safe, I guess. My wife stopped crying, though.
Alrighty, sir.
All right.
Let me forward this to a technician, and then we'll have them return your call so they can assist you.
Hey, that sounds great. Yeah, I'll probably need. Oh, okay. Do you guys have any firefighters on call as well? Because I feel like having an issue.
Oh, no, sir. But let me forward this over, and then I'll have them return your call.
All right, that's great. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Love you. Bye.
What the fuck?
That goes out to Carlito, y'all. That man and his sound effects were amazing. It's huge inspiration.